Is there anybody behind us? Oh,
He looks awesome, right?
yes. He is not scared for nothing, right? Is this your spot? Are you always right here?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder what your name is. You're beautiful.
Not you. You.
You are a beautiful bird. And you are a...
Right crowned pigeon.
You don't even look like a pigeon. You look like a peacock.
Just the other way around.
Uh-huh. He is always right there though, right? Well, at least he was there yesterday.
Yep, he ain't moved.
All right, we'll see you, I guess, the next time we come, okay? Keep warm. Okay?
Aw.
Don't be scared. I'm not going to touch you.
Okay.
I was going to say, did y'all see the bird?
Oh my god.
They're just chilling there.